right, tonight I am going to make some beef stew. I have got a pound of hamburger meat in here. I've already got it cooked. I've got a can of diced tomatoes. Just gonna make a lot. And I've got 5 cups of water. Make sure. Yep, I got that on. Okay. And I've got a pack of onion soup mix here. All right, let me get this stirred up. I'm going to cook this on slow for 1 hour on simmer. Then I'll come back and add the vegetables to it. I think it's easy vegetable stew. I had it up on the computer and then I clicked off of it and I can't find it, but I know what was in it. All right, I'm going to put the lid on this and let it simmer for an hour, and I will bring you back. All right, I've left this simmer for an hour. I'm going to put some green beans and some green peppers in there. I am using Starve Life vegetables, and I've got some corn. Let me see. And I've got regular potatoes here. Okay. And I'm going to put a cup of macaroni in here. And I have got several spices. Some of it's Starve Life and some of it's not. I'm putting some seasoning in here. So just whatever seasoning you want to put. Okay. I've got lemon pepper seasoning. Let me see if I got that on. Yeah, I have. I'm getting old. I forgot whether I had it on or not. And I'm Starve Life Chef's Choice seasoning. And some of it I hadn't used in a while, so I've got to shake it up. And I've got some garlic powder. And I've got some lemon and pepper. Oh, I've already put some of that in there. Alrighty. I'm going to cook this for a little while and turn it up a little bit. This will give me enough to eat for. I can put this in bowls and put in the freezer. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. All right, and I'll bring you back when it gets done. All right, I forgot to put my onions in there. cut up one onion. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you what I use on Thrive Life Foods. This is freeze-dried food. I'll put a link to my website there. But I got corn and green beans and green peas. All right, and then I've got seasoning from Thrive Life too in there. All right, I've got it done. And I am going to fix me a bowl. I have got enough here for an army. I'm just going to fix me a bowl. And I've also put salt and pepper in here before I started videoing. I've been hungry today. Alright, I'm going to put the lid back on this and let it cool off, and then I'm going to put it in plastic bowls and put it in the deep freeze. Alright. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And I hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. That's my thumbnail right there. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.